circular saw is typically the hardest working tool on the job site. It is also one of the most dangerous, which is why the following safety precautions must be strictly observed. Never use a circular saw with a defective blade guard. Always wear a clean pair of safety glasses along with hearing protection. Always make sure workpieces are properly supported before cutting. Always unplug the saw or remove the battery before adjusting or replacing the blade. To set the cutting depth, raise the blade guard and place the blade against the edge of the material. Next, loosen the appropriate knob or lever and then raise the saw until the blade is only one tooth below the stock. Setting the blade deeper than this increases the chance of kickback and can result in severe personal injury. On some saws, a built-in depth gauge simplifies the one-tooth cutting depth adjustment. Before making a crosscut, make sure the material is supported as close as possible to the cut line with enough room available for the saw to pass without interference. To make the cut, place the front of the base plate on the workpiece, making sure the blade is not contacting the material. Depending on the saw, the cutting guide will either be aligned with the inside or the outside of the blade. For the most precise cuts, make sure the full width of the blade is on the waste side of the material. To locate the guide correctly, make some practice cuts in some scrap first. With the guide properly aligned, depress the trigger switch and allow the motor to come up to speed. Using both hands to hold the saw, slowly advance the tool through the material, keeping the base plate guide aligned with the cut line.